Hello and welcome back. Let's talk about types of production. There are two main types of production, fiction and non-fiction. Fiction productions are based on fictional stories, while non-fiction productions are based on real events or people. Fiction productions can be further divided according to their types. Sitcoms or situational comedies are television series that typically feature humorous episodes that focus on the everyday lives of a group of characters. Sitcoms are often fast paced and feature a lot of physical comedy or verbal humor. Dramas are television series that typically focus on serious or emotional topics. Examples of dramas include Replay 1988, Squid Game, and Humsafar. Telefilms or television films are films that are made specifically for television. Telefilms are often longer than sitcoms and dramas, and they may be based on original stories or on existing books, plays, or films. Soaps or soap operas are television series that typically feature serialized stories about the personal lives of a group of characters. Soaps are often melodramatic and focus on themes such as love, loss, betrayal, and revenge. Animations are television series that are created using animation techniques. Animations can be targeted at children or adults, and they can cover a wide range of genres, including comedy, drama, science fiction, and fantasy, like The Simpsons, Dexter's Lab, and Dora the Explorer. Sitcoms, dramas, telefilms, soaps, and animations are all different types of television programs, but they have some key differences in terms of tone, genre, focus, length, and episodes. Now let's talk about the non-fiction productions. Non-fiction productions can also be divided according to their genre. Documentary is a film or television program that explores a particular topic or issue. Documentaries can be educational or entertaining, and they can be short or long form. Examples of documentaries include March of the Penguins, Blackfish, and Apollo 11. News programs report on current events. News programs can be broadcast on television or radio, and they can be local, national, or international in scope. Sports programs cover sporting events and news. Sports programs can be broadcast on television or radio, and they can be live or recorded. Lifestyle programs typically focus on topics related to home, fashion, food, and travel. Lifestyle programs can be informative or entertaining, and they can be targeted at a variety of audience. These are just a few examples of the many different types of productions that exist. There are many genres and subgenres, and new ones are emerging all the time. The possibilities are endless.